To the story, Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen says Kenya is counting on full cooperation from UK authorities in the extradition of a British national wanted for the brutal 2012 murder of Agnes Wanjiru in Nanyuki, Laikipia County. But lawyers caution the process could drag on for years, hinging on legal hurdles and the goodwill between Kenya and the United Kingdom. Seth Olale has the latest on the Agnes Wanjiru murder case.
The decade-long unresolved murder of Agnes Wanjiru has now taken a diplomatic turn, with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs initiating extradition proceedings against a British suspect who was recently slapped with a warrant of arrest for the heinous crime committed 13 years ago.
The Ministry of Interior has done its part, but in terms of extradition, it's an important process, but let's leave it to Foreign Affairs.
Speaking at the Jukwaa Usalama Security Assessment Baraza in Laikipia County, Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen said Kenya's criminal justice system expects full cooperation from UK authorities to facilitate the extradition of the murder suspect to face justice.
And I don't think we will struggle to find the right cooperation. Britain and Kenya have, of course, very long historical relations, as it's already known.
However, lawyers caution that the extradition case involving the British murder suspect could drag on for years or even risk collapsing altogether.
It will be taken to the Honourable Attorney General of UK. They will study the warrant, find whether the warrant is worthy having been issued, whether there is sufficient evidence for them to initiate proceedings there, and or to ask for warrant of arrest for this man who is a suspect to be arrested. It's a long process. It's a process which can take ages.
If extradited to face murder charges over Agnes Wanjiru's killing, the Briton would become the first foreign serviceman to be tried on Kenyan soil.
What happened to Agnes Wanjiru should never happen to anyone. And I'm really looking for a day when that justice can be delivered. This was brutal murder.
On Tuesday, High Court Judge Alexander Muteti granted the ODPP a warrant of arrest against the British national wanted over the 2012 murder of Agnes Wanjiru in Nanyuki, Laikipia County. Seth Olale, Citizen TV.